Hello everyone, welcome back to ShawCode. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create, import and use modules in Python. I have lots of experience in Python and by the end of this video you will have a great knowledge of modules. So what are modules? They're like code libraries. You can import these into your Python project for you to use. It's basically a pre-made Python file containing a set of variables and functions that you want to use in your program. So let's start by creating a module. So as you can see here, I have two Python files open. This is going to be our main file and this is going to be our module. And they can be called whatever you want, and you need them to be in the same directory as each other. Okay, so let's go into our module file and create a new variable and a function. X equals 3, define module func, print nice module. And by the way, you could call this whatever you want. It doesn't have to be module func, it could be like cheeseburger or something. But I'm just going to keep it as module func. Now let's go into our main Python file and type import. And then the name of your module file, so mine's 26.2. Then we'll create a new variable called y and set it to 26.2.x. And then we'll print y. Then run it. Oh yeah, and by the way, you can't have your module names having numbers in them, so I'll have to change mine. I'll just call it module. Import module. And then module.x. Then we'll get 3, because what we're doing is we're importing this file here, and then we're referring to module, this file, this variable here, is module.x, so we have to refer to the module name and then the variable to access it, and then we're just printing it. And then we can also call the function, so module.modulefunc, and then we'll get 3 and nice module. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to drop a like, it really does help me out. Anyway, notice how we have put our module name before each function or variable in our main file. Well, instead of writing import module, what we can do is we can do from module import asterisk. And what this means is all. So from this file, import everything. So now we don't have to use this module dot. We can just refer to it directly. And there we go. We can also import individual variables and functions from the module. From module import x, and then get rid of this. Then we get 3. What we're doing here is we're only importing this x value, and then we won't be importing anything else. So if we do module func, we're going to get an error because module func is not defined, because we haven't imported it, we've only imported x. And we can also rename modules, and it's basically a short way of saying it. So we can do import module as md. So now instead of having to write module.modulefunc, we can just write md.modulefunc, and then we'll get a nice module. So this won't rename the actual module file, it'll just rename it in your Python code right here. There are also various built-in modules that are part of Python, and we will be covering some common ones in the next few videos. You're also able to download someone else's modules that aren't built in, and I'll show you how to do this in an upcoming video. Okay, that's all for today guys. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply. If you would like to support me, all you have to do is give this video a like, it really does help me out. Also consider subscribing, I post Python content almost every day. That's it from me. Cheers and goodbye.